Tulum Boutique Hotel. Located in Tulum in the Quintana Roo region, 5 miles from Tulum Archaeological Site. The hotel has a year-round outdoor pool and sun terrace. And guests can enjoy a drink at the bar. Each room at this hotel is air-conditioned and has a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. Certain units have a seating area for your convenience. A terrace or balcony are featured in certain rooms. The rooms come with a private bathroom. For your comfort, you will find bathrobes and free toiletries. There is concierge service at the property. Free use of bicycles is available. The area is popular for snorkeling and diving. Bus station Tulum Ruins is 5 miles from Opulum, while Tulum bus station is 6.8 miles from the property. Cancun International Airport is 71 miles from Opulum. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.